guys, so in the last video we have talked about button components. So in this video we are going to talk about typography. There are some style of typography in material UI. You can see that this is an H1 heading, this one is H2 heading. So like this there is H6 you can go. So you also have like paragraph, some button text, like you have some components. You have a component called typography. If I show you the code, we have only one component in the documentation. If you see, we have only one component and we have variant like h1, h2. This is the difference, h3, h4, h5. Only this is the difference. Okay, if I give h6, it will show like this. It will show a h6 heading. If I give here h1, it will show like h1 heading. Let me give you an example. I have started the development server here, and this is running on 3000 port here. So if I just copy it, I can copy it or I can type, it doesn't matter. So I have to import it from material UI. It is imported. So first I am giving h1 variant, and if I change the text, this is heading. Okay, I saved, and if we go ahead, this is looking like a h1 tag. This is kind of different from normal h1. Normal h1 we use without any styling. It is a little bit different than that because it is coming from, it is a component of material UI. They styled it differently. Now if I give it to, let's say, h4, how that works? This is h4. If I give it h2, this is looking like h2. If I give h3, this is h3. Okay, also we have some other variants, like we have subtitle 1, subtitle 2, body. Let's see how that's work. If I type subtitle 1 and how it looks. This is subtitle 1. Okay, so we also have some other like caption, button, overline. If we see the button one, how that looks. This is like a button text. Okay, so we also can do another thing. If we inspect the element, we see it is an span. It is a span. Okay, this is a span, and with some classes for styling. If I change it into h1, then what will happen? This is h1. Okay, that's good, and with some classes for styling. Okay, now if I want to look like it h1 but change the element, how can I do it? Like I can say component will be h6, h5, but it will look like h1. Okay, it is still h1, but the element changed, h5. I can say it will be a p tag, but look, it has to look like h1. Okay, if I go, it is p tag. I can say it is a span. It will look like h1, but it will be rendered as span. Also we can do like subtitle. Before we have seen, and it is with span. I can also say the element will be h1, but it will look like a subtitle. it is still looks like subtitle and the element is h1. So do you have anything else here? There is nothing. Okay, you can customize. I'll show you it later. Let's see. Go with the series. Okay. So we can margin top too. This is you can do it margin top. Typography API, guys. You have to check this out. Okay. You have to check this out. We can align in center, left, right. Also, we can do classes. Gutter bottom means there is a gutter bottom. Did you see that before? There is a gutter bottom. What is it doing? It is giving some margin in the bottom. Okay, if I again paste another typography with each one, it will give some margin in the bottom. This is giving some margin in the bottom. Okay, if I remove this one, this is moved. Okay, this is moved a little bit upper. This is gutter bottom. No rep, I can have a no rep. If I show you the no rep one, if I type typography, variant will be like h4. Okay, component will be like p tag, because I'm going to write a paragraph, Lorem paragraph. Gutter bottom, I don't need gutter bottom. Okay, then I can say Lorem 400. This is a huge paragraph. Okay, so if I go there, this is a huge. This came with p tag, but this is huge. If I want to short it, I can do it with no rep. No rep. Let's see. You see now, this is made short. It is not wrapping. It is not overflowing. It is just, I can also do it small, wider, whatever I want. It will still it will fit in a line, and it will have 3 dots by showing that it also it has more content. Okay, it is not fitting the everything in a line. It is a lot of content, but it still have content. Okay, this 3 dots, this is meaning this is trying to tell. Okay, we have Lorem ipsum. Okay, do we have anything else? We have this is assets box. We can variant. We have variant. I have shown you variant. We can have h1, h2, h3, whatever subtotal string. This is it. I think this is enough for the typography component. I will see you in the next video. Okay.